Hi, my name is Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA, and today I want to take a couple minutes to talk to you guys about accounting for dropshipping, which is an increasingly popular business model for e-commerce companies. So without further ado, let's go dive into the blog and jump right in. As you can see here on our blog, if you are an e-commerce retailer, you really only have two options when it comes to shipping your products, right? You can either do that directly to the customer yourself, or you can outsource the shipping to a drop shipping supplier, right? And for those of you who are not familiar with drop shipping or how it can help your e-commerce business, here are a couple things that it does for you, right? It requires less capital, it allows you to get established and start your business quicker, it provides a low overhead cost, and it gives you the flexibility to operate your company from just about anywhere. Now, even though drop shipping can make your e-commerce business a little bit easier, one of the things that it does do is it provides some tax challenges, right? So if you have a dropshipping company or supplier that is in the same state that your company or that you are operating in, it is very simple. However, it gets a lot more complex when those states are different. So we have CPAs here at Fusion that specialize in e-commerce businesses with dropshipping and can help you figure out what the sales tax is going to be, especially if you have your company and your dropshipping supplier in two different states, right? You know, another thing that a lot of companies don't think about is that your invoicing is going to change. Instead of receiving an invoice for the products that you purchase, right, like normal, if you are doing drop shipping for your e-commerce business, you may receive an invoice once you drop ship your products to a customer, right? So this is going to greatly increase the number of invoices, and it's going to require a more strict coordination between you and your drop shipping partner. Now, another issue that you might have is with overselling, right? A lot of e-commerce companies are using multiple dropship suppliers to help them with their inventory and manage the number of products that they have so that they are not actually overselling the amount of stuff that they have in stock. This is obviously going to require a detailed integration of order management accounting between you and each dropshipping company that you use. And that's going to be pretty complex, especially when it comes to providing a proper accounting of inventory sold. So that is another reason why we suggest that you use a CPA who specializes in e-commerce and in drop shipping. That's going to help you streamline your accounting and stay on top of your inventory, right? And as always, like if you scroll to the bottom of our blog, you can click this button to speak with a CPA today, and you can go ahead and book a free discovery call, or you can just go down here and go ahead and give us a call at 404-955-7338, or send us an email at info@fusiontaxes.com. Thank you guys for watching today. Again, I am Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA. I hope that this has helped if you are considering running a dropshipping company, or if you were already in the dropshipping industry or part of e-commerce. Again, always feel free to give us a call or drop us an email if you have any questions or if you want some help with your e-commerce or dropshipping business. Thank you again, and until next time, guys, have a great day.